Hey there, this video we are going to stack our timelines, okay, or pancake them so that we can rob parts from one to a new sequence or to a completely different project. Just a handy way when you are stealing reusable pieces that you've done before to build out a slightly new version. Let me show you how to do it. So stacked or pancake timelines is handy when you're just robbing one, lots of graphics from an existing project, okay? So let's say that we're going to start with, I'm going to close that one down. I'm going to start with my horror multi one. Okay, and it's got a lot of stuff going on in here and I want to steal it for a new project or a new sequence. So new sequence, okay, this one's going to be my social vertical. Okay, it's going to call it May 2022. Okay, so it's our new project. I'm going to open both of them up and all you do is grab one of them and hold the name until you get these like little purple options appearing, and you want this kind of bottom one here, and you've stacked them. Okay, you might need to give yourself a little bit more room. Okay, but now I can say actually I need this part. I'm going to adjust that down here. I need maybe this part for my project. I'm going to keep existing settings. What else do I need to unlock? That I need that. I'm pretending here. Okay, but we're grabbing bits from one and the other rather than having to kind of, normally you'd end up toggling between this one and doing copy and then over here and paste. Copy and paste works, okay, but it is really nice just to kind of pancake these up to go from one from the other. Now let me close this down. Don't be afraid to do it across projects. Okay, so I'm going to open a brand new project. This is going to be social May 2022. Okay, I'm going to put it on my desktop. Messy, Dan. Messy. Okay, and find my desktop. Where is it? Desktop. There it is. Okay, and you can have two projects open. And what's nice about it, when you're doing this kind of pancake, is let's stretch it out so I can see both of them, is I can make my new sequence in this new project. Okay, vertical. Here it is here. It's called sequence 1. I can toggle between these two projects. And I can also do the whole pancaking thing again, so that this is a completely separate project from this one. And can you see this new project has nothing in it but a sequence. But if I bring this across, if I go, yep, you're in here, please. Keep existing settings, you come along. Actually, that doesn't want to. Copy and paste. Not sure why, just seems to be that graphic seems to not drag, but needs to be copied and pasted. You can see all the bits that are related will come across and nothing else. One last little trick is, let's get rid of the pancaking, is if you've got lots open, okay, you've got a million things open and you're working on this one and it's a bit confusing, you can actually reorder these, okay, to go actually, that one's the kind of, just click, hold and drag it and move them around. You can say actually, that's my original one. So I want you to be at the beginning and you to be there, just to get yourself in a bit of order. You can also say, actually, right click this and say, close the other timeline panels, please. Just this one, keep open, please. Whew, nice. Especially when you've got like 100 of them, which I often do for my courses. There's like this video course here, there's like 100, I don't know how many it's going to be now, but there's more than 100. You end up having all the sequences open. So just right click and say, close the other ones, please. Close other timeline panels. Alright, so that's stacked or pancake timelines, plus some other timeline tricks thrown in for bonus. Let's get on to the next video.